Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're potting up window boxes, hanging baskets, pots and containers with colour, stuff with colour that will flower from now right through until October. We have a window box here, 60 centimetres long, and we're going to put in 5 plants that are going to flower non-stop until October. The most essential ingredient in the box is the SWELL compost. Contains 12 to 14 months slow release fertiliser, a wetting agent as well, and you've got all your major and minor nutrients in there that the plants will need. Occasional feeding then with Sure Bloom will keep them in wonderful condition. We're going to put 5 plants in that will give us lots of colour right through until October. In the centre of the window box, we're putting in lovely geranium. This geranium classic white splash. And classic white splash has got pink and white flowers like that. Really reliable geranium to grow. And the wonderful thing about geraniums is, of course, they tolerate a little bit of drying out as well when the weather hopefully gets a little drier. So settle him in the centre. So that's the triller in the middle of the box. And left and right of that, we're going to settle in 2 Impatiens. This is Impatiens Sun Patience Compact Magenta. They're going to give a little bit of height. So we're going to have plenty of height in the middle of this box, and then we're going to put 2 spillers on the corner. So we're going to settle in our 2 Impatiens Sun Patience Magenta either side of the geranium. Now, when these fill out, the box will look an awful lot bigger than it actually is, because the plants will fill out and spill out over the box itself. So second Impatiens on this side. So they will fight for the whole centre of the box there. And then we're going to put 2 spillers on the end. And the 2 spillers on the end are Nemesia Vanilla Berry. So Nemesia Fairy Kisses Vanilla Berry. Lovely dainty flowers, non-stop right through until October. This new range, many new Nemesias now are fantastic. So 1 on either side there. So simply settled in. And the second one on the other. So very simple planting. The flower non-stop right through until October, with plenty of bees as well working away this morning. Look at this fellow here, very busy in this Odontia, which is a lovely plant for the centre of a pot or container, but he's found it this morning quite happily. Lovely to see them. So there's our 2 Nemesia on the corner. So that's Nemesia Vanilla Berry, Fairy Kisses Vanilla Berry spilling out. We have the Sun Patience then, lovely compact magenta. And in the centre, really excellent geranium, classic range of geraniums, and that's classic white splash. So non-stop colour right through until October. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.